Hello everyone. In this PPT, we study about computer networking. Network. Net means mesh of interconnection productive action with various nodes, and work means productive action. So finally the definition of network is a computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. Each computer on the network is called a node. Advantage and disadvantage of computer networking. Advantage: easy to connect a computer or peripheral to a linear bus, require less cable length than a star topology. It works well for the small networks. Disadvantage: entire network shut down if there is a break in the main cable. Terminators are required at both ends of the backbone cable. Difficult to identify the problem if the entire network shut down. Not meant to be used as a stand-alone solution in a large building. Project Agency Network. In 1969, the US government formed an agency named ARPANET to connect computers at various universities. The main objective of ARPANET was to develop a network that could continue to function efficiently. It means interconnection network. The internet is a worldwide network of computer network. It is not owned by anybody. Interspace. It is a silent server software program that allow multiple users to communicate online with real-time audio, video and text chat in dynamic 3D environments. Components of data communication. First sender to message, and then receiver, and then feedback. Data communication terminology. First, channel. A channel is a portion of the communication medium allotted to the sender and receiver for conveying information between them. The communication medium is often subdivided into a number of separate parts, each of which is used by a sender and receiver for communication purpose. Baud rate. Baud rate is the same as symbol rate and is a measure of the numbers of line changes which occur every second. Each symbol can represent or convey one binary encode signal or several bytes of data. For a binary signal of 20 Hz, this is equal to 20 bytes. There are 20 changes per second. Beats per second. This is an expression of the number of data beats per second where a binary signal is being used. This is the same as the baud rate. When the signal is changed to another form, it will not be equal to the baud rate, as each line change can represent more than one bit, either 2 or 4 bits. Bandwidth. Bandwidth is the frequency range of a channel, measured as the difference between the highest and the lowest frequency that the channel support. The maximum transmission speed is dependent upon the available bandwidth. The larger the bandwidth, the higher the transmission speed. Switching technology. Switching technology are used for transmitting data across network. It has 3 types. First, circuit switching. Second, packet switching. Third, message switching. Circuit switching. When a dedicated path is established for data transmission between sender and receiver, it is called circuit switching. This dedicated path is then used to set data. ARPANET used circuit switching for communication over the network. Disadvantage and advantage of circuit switching. Advantage: once path is set up, the only delay is in data transmission speed. Second, no problem of congestion or garbled message. Disadvantage: first, long setup time is required. Second, a request token must travel to the receiver and then acknowledged before any transmission can happen. Third, line may be held up for a long time. Packet switching. Define. It is a method of transferring the data to a network in the form of packets. In order to transfer the file fast and efficient manner over the network and minimize the transmission latency, the data is broken into small pieces of variable length called packet. As the distinguish all these small parts, packets has to be reassembled belong to the same file. Advantage and disadvantage of packet switching. Advantage: first, delay in delivery of packets is less since packets are sent as soon as they are available. Second, switching devices don't require massive storage since they don't have to store the entire message before forwarding them to the next node. Third, data delivery can continue even if some parts of the network faces link failure. Packets can be routed via other parts. Disadvantage: first, they are unstable for application that cannot offer delay in communication like high quality voice calls. Second, packet switching high install cost. Third, they require complex protocol for delivery. Comparison of circuit switching, packet switching and message switching. First parameter: addressing scheme. Message switching: geographical address. Circuit switching: hierarchical numbering plan. Packet switching: hierarchical address space. Routing scheme: passage switching, manual. Circuit switching: route selected during call setup. Packet switching: each packet routed independently. Multiplexation scheme. Message switching: character or message multiplication. Circuit switching: circuit multiplication. Packet switching: packet multiplication. Share media access network. Types of network. There are 4 types of network. First is LAN. LAN means local area network. Second is PAN. PAN means personal area network. Third is MAN. MAN means metropolitan area network. And fourth is WAN, means wide area network. Its ranges are PAN, square meter. LAN, 10 meter, 100 meter and extend 1 kilometer. MAN, 10 kilometer. WAN, 100 kilometer, 1000 kilometer, etc. For example, PAN, around person. LAN, room, building, campus. MAN, city, around city. And WAN, around country, continent, etc. First, LAN, local area network. A local area network is a computer network that connects computer in a limit area such as home, school, office building. A LAN is useful for sharing resources like files, printers, games and other applications. A LAN may be set up by using wire or wireless connection. A LAN that is completely wireless is called wireless LAN or WLAN. Wide area network. A WAN spans a large geographical area such as a state, country. WAN connects multiple smaller networks such as a local area network or metro area network. Personal area network, PAN. PAN is a type of wireless network that works within a very small area, your immediate surrounding. MAN. MAN is the network cover a group of nearly corporate office or a city and it might be either private or public. It is larger than LAN. Difference between LAN, WAN, MAN and PAN. Parameter first. Area covered. MAN. A city 100 kilometer radius. PAN. A small area up to 10 meter radius. LAN. A building or campus up to 10 kilometer. WAN. Entire country, continent or globe. Networking cost. PAN, negligible. LAN, inexpensive. MAN, expensive. WAN, very expensive. Transmission speed. PAN, high speed. LAN, high speed. MAN, moderate speed. WAN, low speed. Error rate. PAN, lowest. LAN, lowest. MAN, moderate. WAN, highest. Network devices used. PAN, USB. LAN, LAN switch repeater modem. MAN, router gateway. WAN, router gateway. Technology media used. PAN, Bluetooth. LAN, Wi-Fi, Ethernet. MAN, optical fiber, microwave or radio waves. WAN, microwave or satellite. Networking device. First is modern. It is a device that enables a computer to send or receive data over telephone or cable lines. The data stored on the computer is digital, whereas a telephone line or cable wire can transmit. Switch. A switch is a network device that connects other device to Ethernet network through twist pair cable. It uses packet switching technology to receive, store and forward data packets on the network. The switch maintains a list of network address of all the devices connected to it. Router. A router is a network layer hardware device that transmits data from one LAN to another. If both networks support the same set of protocols, so a router is typically connected to at least two LAN, and the internet service provider ISP router also strengthens the signal before transmitting them. That is why it is called repeater. Ethernet card. It is also known as network interface card, NIC, is a hardware component used by computer to connect to Ethernet LAN and communicate with other devices on the LAN. The earliest Ethernet cards were external to the system and needed to be installed manually. Ethernet card speed may vary depending upon the protocol it supports. Old Ethernet card has maximum speed of 10 Mbps. However, modern cards support fast Ethernet up to a speed of 100 Mbps. Some cards even have capacity of 1 Gbps. Network topology. The way in which devices are interconnected to form a network is called network topology. Some of the factors that affected choice of topology for a network are: first, cost; second, flexibility; third, assay of installation; fourth, assay of maintenance. There are 5 types of network topology. First is ring, second is mesh, third is star, fourth is tree, and fifth is bus. There are 2 types of network technology. First, wired network technology means guide media. Second, wireless network technology means unguided media. Wired. In computing technology, the term wire is used to differentiate between wireless connection and those that involve cables. Wireless technology. While wireless devices communicate over the air, a wire setup uses physical cables to transfer data between different devices and computer systems. Comparison between wireless or unguided media and wired or guided media network. Category first, user mobility. Wireless network, nearly unlimited in building. Wired network, tethered to a physical outlet. Office reconfiguration. Wireless network, simple. Wired network, messy and higher cost. Reliability. Wireless network, fixed result. Wired network, generally better. Potential RF interference. Wireless network, significant concern. Wired network, not an issue. Environment constraint. Wireless network can impact signal. Wired network, distance from switch only issue. Security. Wireless, less secure. Wired, more secure than wireless. Connection speed. Wireless, usually slower than wired. Wired network, faster than wireless and not shared. Support. Wireless network often more difficult. Wired network, physical layer straightforward. Switch ports. Wireless, 1 per WAB. Wired network, 1 needed for each live output. Setup cost. Wireless, relatively low. Wired, more expensive. Protocol is a set of rules and regulation by a community over the network. Just like human, computer also need rules to ensure successful communication. If 2 people start speaking at the same time or in different language, when no interpreter is present, no meaningful exchange of information can occur. Similarly, device connect on the network need to follow rules defining situation like when and how to transmit data, when to receive data, how to give error-free message, etc. Some common protocols used over the internet are: first, transmission control protocol; second, internet protocol; third, point-to-point protocol; fourth, file transfer protocol; fifth, hypertext transfer protocol; and sixth, internet message access protocol. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that allows devices such as laptop and desktop mobile devices and other equipments to interface with the internet. Connectivity occurs through a wireless route. Communication technology mobile. First 1G. It launched in 1980. Speed up to 2.4 kbps. Second, poor voice quality. Third, large phones with limited battery life. And fourth, no data security. And the second technology is 2G. 2G it launched in 1992. Data speed up to 64 kbps. Text and multimedia messaging possible. And third, better quality than 1G. Third technology is 3G. 3G it launched in 2001. First, the data speed of 144 kbps to 2 mbps. Second, high speed web browsing. Third, running web based application like video conferencing, multimedia, emails, etc. And last, fast and easy transfer of audio and video file. 4G it launched in 2011. First, speed of 100 mbps to 1 gbps, mobile web access. Third, high definition mobile TV. Fourth, cloud computing. And fifth, IP telephony. And the fifth technology is 5G. 5G generation it launched in 2020. Fifth generation wireless 5G is the latest iteration of the circular technology engineered to greatly increase the speed and responsiveness of wireless network. 5G will also enable a sharp increase in the amount of data transmission. Practices adapted to computer and prevent unauthorized access and misuse of network resources and data on them is called network security. A network has two components, first software, second hardware. Both these components have their own vulnerability to threat is a possible risk that might exploit a network weakness to brand security and cause harm. Example of hardware threats include first, improper installation, second, use of unsecure components, third, electromagnetic interference from external source, fourth, extreme weather condition, fifth, lack of disabled planning. Hardware threats form only 10% of network security threats worldwide because the components need to be accessed physically. 90% threats are through software vulnerabilities. Here we discuss the major types of software security threats. Network security concept. First, virus. Second, cookies. Third, hackers, crackers. Fourth, Trojan horse. Fifth, firewall. 6. Cyber law. 7th, HTTPS. 8. Cybercrime. 9th, worms. Threats to network security. First, virus. Second, worms. Third, Trojan horse. Fourth, spams. Protection method: authentication, authorization, encryption, biometric system, firewall. Virus means virtual information resource under stress. Viruses are the program that cause damage to the file, data and file on a system. Virus attack itself to program or file so that it can spread from one computer to another. Prevention from virus. First, install and update antivirus software. Second, don't download and or open email from unknown sender. Third, don't click on link in email which is from unknown sources. Fourth, disconnect the internet if you are away. Fifth, disable cookies if possible. Damage caused by virus. First, damage or delete file. Second, slow down your system. Third, screen flickering. Types of virus. There are 3 types of virus. First, file virus. This virus infect and replicate when it get attached to executable program file with execution.com, .exe.system, .dll, .ocx, .cpl. Example: boot sector virus. This virus infect the boot sector of hard devices. The master boot record is part of the boot sector that contain an executable that known where the files to start the operating system are located on the hard drive. Macro virus. Virus that infect document file are called macrovirus. They only infect document that support MicroOffice, Word Perfect Office, Star Office, and AutoCAD are common applications that support macros in their documents. Worms. A worm is a self-replicating program which eats up the entire disk space or memory. Second, a worm keeps on creating its copies until all the disk space or memory is free. Third, consume bandwidth and slow down the network. Fourth, it is also a malicious program like a virus, but unlike viruses, it does not need to attach itself to a host program. A worm works by itself as an independent object. Trojan horse. It is a program that appears harmless but actually perform malicious functions such as damaging or deleted file. Trojan horse trick users into installing them by appearing to be legitimate program. Once installed on a system, they reveal their true nature and cause damage. Third, some Trojan horse will contact a central service and report back information such as password, user IDs, and captured keystrokes. Spam. Unwanted messages or mails are known as spam. At time, internet is flooded with multiple copies of the same message. It is nothing but spam. Most spam is compressible advertising. In addition to wasting people's time, spam also eat up a lot of network bandwidth. Cookies. A cookies is a small piece of data sent from a website and stored in a user web browser while a user is browsing a website. Google Chrome stored all cookies in a single file called cookies. The file is located at the following part: c.user, your username, app data, local, Google Chrome user data, default. Firewall. A system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from a private network is called firewall. It can be implemented in both hardware and software or combination or both. HTTPS. The full form of HTTPS is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It is an internet communication protocol that protects the integrity and confidentiality of data between the user computer and the site. Users expect a secure and private online experience when using a website. While doing online transmission, make sure your protocol is HTTPS. Hackers and crackers. Hackers are more interested in gaining unknown about computer system and possibly using this knowledge for playful pranks. Crackers are the malicious program who break into secure system. Cyber law and its important. Cyber law is a part of overall legal system that deals with internet, cyberspace, and their registered legal issues. Second, generally cyber law is referred to as the laws of internet. Third, cyber law, also called IT law, is the law regarding information technology including computers and the internet. Importance of cyber law. It covers all transaction over internet. It keeps eye on all activity over internet. Cybercrime. Any crime that involves a computer or a network as a tool or a target is called a computer crime or cybercrime. Or in other terms, it is a crime in which a computer is the object of the crime, hacking, spying, or is used as a tool to communicate child pornography, hate crimes, etc. Step to protect yourself against cybercrime. First, make sure your security software is current and update is regularly. Second, log off your computer when you step away. Go offline when you don't need an internet connection. Consider sharing less online. Think twice about using public Wi-Fi. When in doubt, don't click. Introduction to web services. First, www means World Wide Web. Second, HTML means Cybertext Markup Language. Third, URL means Uniform Resource Location. And fourth is XML, Extensible Markup Language. Fifth, then domain, and then web browser, and then web services, and then website. www means World Wide Web. It is a set of protocols that allow you to access any document on the internet through a naming system based on URLs. It also specifies a way HTTP to request and send a document over the internet. Before www, internet was mainly used for obtaining textual information. After www, internet popularly grew tremendously. XML, Extensible Markup Language. It's a markable language that defines a set of rules for encoding document in a format that is both human readable and machine readable. It was designed to store and transport data. It does not do anything. It's just information wrapped in text. Domain name. Domain name is a component of a URL. It's the identification string that defines the name of the particular website. Web browser. It's a silent software that is used to access various kinds of internet resources using HTTP, which also help us navigate through World Wide Web and display web pages. For example, Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, etc. HTML. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the coding language used to create hypertext document for use on the World Wide Web. It's the standard markup language for web pages. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. URL is a complete web address used to find a particular web page. It depends on several factors such as type of server or protocol, name, address of the server on the internet, location of the file on the server. Website. A website is a collection of web pages usually containing hyperlinks to each other representing information of a company or individual on the World Wide Web. It's a location on a net server which has unique URL. Web services. It is a computer that stores data and makes them available to rest of the world. Internet is server may be dedicated, meaning its sole purpose is to be a web server. A non-dedicated server can be used for basic computing in addition to acting as a server. It responds to the request made by web browsers.